Imagine spending your life feeling like you don't belong in the world around you and still creating words that would speak to millions after your death. That was Franz Kafka. Kafka's life was filled with doubt, long lines, fear, work, and endless struggle to understanding himself. Yet his writing reveals something deeply valuable about the human condition. Today on Winning Mind, we are going to uncover the lessons hidden inside Kafka's life and philosophy. Lesson about fear, long lines, failure, identity, and the courage to keep moving when life makes no sense. Lesson number 1. Don't wait for the life to become perfect. Kafka life teach us the waiting for the perfect circumstance can become another for fear. We often tell yourself, I become when I am ready or I change when life become easier. But life really becomes perfect convenient. Kafka struggled with work, relationship, family expectation, and his own doubts, yet continued writing. His circumstances were not perfect, but his desire to express himself remained. The lesson is simple: don't postpone your life until everything feels right. You may never feel completely prepared. You may still have doubt. You may still be afraid of failure. Start anyway. Progress often being when you stop demanding greatly from life. Take the first step with whatever struggle you have today. Because sometimes the perfect moment doesn't arrive. You create the moment by being. Lesson number 2. Learn to living with uncertainty. One of the Kafka greatest themes was uncertainty. His character often find themselves trapped in situations they don't fully understand, searching for answers that never completely arrive. Real life can feel exactly the same. We want to know what will happen next. Will your career succeed? Will someone stay? Will your dreams come true? Will your efforts eventually be awarded? But certainly, it is something life really gives us. Kafka words remained us the constantly demanding answers can the mind. Sometimes you may continue walking without knowing where the road ends. This doesn't mean giving up control. It means accepting that some things are beyond your control. Focus on what you can influence today: your action, your discipline, your choice, and your characters. You don't need to know the entire path that to take the next step. And sometimes the courage to move forward without answer is one of the greatest form of strength. Lesson number 3. Don't let other people expectation define you. Kafka spent much of his life struggling with the expectation, especially expectations throwing work, family, relationships, and what society considered a successful life. This is a struggle many people still understand today. Society tell you what success should look like. Your family may have expectation. Friends may compare themselves with you. Social media constantly show your people who appear to be ahead. But Kafka life remained was your life cannot be measured entirely by someone else's definition of success. You must eventually Ask yourself, what do I actually want? What kind of person do I want to become? Following your path may disappoint some people. That's difficult. But living on entire life according to other people expectation can be even more painful. Your journey doesn't have to resemble anyone else. You are not behind simple because you are walking a different road. Lesson number 4. Long lines can become a mirror. Kafka is often associated with long lines, isolation, and but his solitude also became a space where he could observe himself and the world more deeply. Being alone isn't always the same as being lonely. Sometimes solitude gives something noise control, self awareness, where we constantly surrounded by people, entertainment, notification, and opinions. You really hear your own thoughts clearly. But when everything become quiet, you become comforting questions. You become avoiding. What are you? What do you actually want? What are you afraid of? What are you practicing not to care about? Kafka transformed much of his inner struggle into writing. His long lines become materials of understanding human nature. Do don't automatically fear solitude. Use it. A period of being alone can become a period of rebellion. Sometimes you must step away from the crowd to finally hear your own voice. Lesson number 5. Fear can control your entire life. Fear appears rapidly in Kafka world, not simple as physical danger, but as physical species. Fear of judgment, fear of rejection, fear of failure, fear of disappoint other, and fears the most dangerous fear of being yourself. But avoiding fear doesn't make it disappear. It often makes the fear stronger. The answer isn't to become fearless. Courage don't mean having no fear. Courage means deciding that something else matter more than your fear. Take one small action despite discomfort. Speak, being, try. Fear is necessary because every time you act despite fear, you teach your mind something important. Fear may be present, but if you don't have be in control. Lesson number 6. Your struggle can become your strength. Kafka experienced internal conflicts throughout his life. He struggled with the self-doubt, dissatisfaction, relationships, family pressures, and the tension between ordinary responsibility and his creativity ambition. Yes, those struggles become part of what made his writing powerful. This teaches us something important. Your difficulties don't automatically have to destroy you. Sometimes they can deepen you. The pain you experience can teach empathy, failure, teach patience, rejection can teach independence. Long line can teach self understand. You don't need to pretend that surfing is a beautiful. Some experiences are geniusly painful, but you can decide what you build from them. Instead of asking only, why is this happening to me? Ask, what can this experience teach me? That question change your relationship with adversity. Your secret doesn't have to be proof that you be defied. They can become evidence that you survived, learned, and continue. Your struggle may be the part of your story, but it doesn't have to be the end of it. Lesson number 7. Protect your inner world. Kafka writing revealed an extraordinary deep inner world. He observed human behavior, relationship, institution, and his own emotion unusually intensity. Today, your attention is consistently being consumed. Notification, source video, arrangement, opinions, comparison. Everyone wants success in your attention, but your mind is one of the most valuable thing your process. If you constantly feel with the other people voice, you may eventually forget what your own voice sound like. Kafka example encourage us to protect periods of quiet reflection. Read, write, think, walk without your phone. Sit alone. Ask yourself difficult question. You don't need to share every thoughts with the world. Some thoughts need time to develop privacy. Your inner world is where decide valuable creativity and identity go. Protect your mind carefully because whatever occupation your mind rapidly will eventually influence the person you become. Lesson number 8. success, success isn't always immediate. Kafka became one of the most influential writers of the 20th century, but he did not experience the kind of worldwide recognition during his lifetime that we associate with his name today. This is the powerful reminder that you currently result don't allow represent your ultimate potential. We live in culture observed with the immediate result. If a video don't perform quickly, we think it's failure. It is a business doesn't grow immediately. We quit. If your efforts around recognized, we assume they don't matter. But meaningful work can take time, sometimes year, sometimes decides. Your responsibility is not to control when the world notice you. Lesson number 9. Don't let your inner critic destroy your potential. Kafka was famously self-certainly. His writing personal reflection reveals someone who often questions himself and struggles with his own work. Self-reflection can be useful, but there is a dangerous point where reflection becomes self-direction. You start thinking, I am not good engaged, someone else is better, I probably fail. Why even try? The mind can become its own prison. You must learn to distinguish between honest self improvement and endless self judgment. You don't need to believe you're extraordinary. You simple need to believe you are capable of becoming better. Lesson number 10. Writing, creating even when nobody understand you. Face space on the one of the most powerful lesson from Kafka is most of continue work even when you feel misunderstood. Not everyone will understand your vision. Some people won't understand why you are working so hard. Others may laugh at your goal. Some may even tell you that your dream is unrealistic, but your purpose cannot depend entirely on their approval. Kafka writing explode strength, comfortable, difficult ideas that did fit naturally into conservation expectation. That gracefully what eventually made his own dignity. You don't need everyone to understand you. You need enough courage to remain honest with yourself. Build, write, learn, create, improve. Let time judge what you created because sometimes they think people don't understood today become they think they remember tomorrow. Don't abandon your voice simple because the crowd has learned how to hear it yet. Franz Kafka's life remains as was of the don't need perfect life is creating something meaningful. You may feel lost, you may feel misunderstood, you may afraid, you may even question whatever you afraid matters. But keep moving, keep learning, keep creating because your story is tell being written. And as Aditya, the creator behind Winning Mind, I want to remember one final thought. You don't have to understand the entire journey. You only have to brave enough to take the next step. This is Winning Mind where is don't judge, study the wisdom of greatest mind. We use it to transform your own lives.